Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's a visualization. Uh, Generally, I find that students hear about shoulders in studying Tàijíquán, and they very often kind of think about the epaulettes, the top of the shoulders. Sometimes people kind of picture the meat of the shoulder, the delt and tricep, and so forth. But of course, there's the shoulder blade too, which extends quite a ways back towards the spine itself. So quite a bit lower than people might be thinking of shoulder here. It's going to be much lower and quite a bit more medial than just way out here on the top upper outer corners of my torso. And so what I tend to do here is I adopt the idea, the visualization of a continent or a couple continents, and like we hear about in plate tectonics, where we have a cooler, softer crust that's a moving island on top of the warmer fluid magma, right? The molten earth. Now, I don't exactly imagine magma, that degree of heat, but what I'm imagining is warming, soothing, and the freeing that I feel in my soft tissues when I'm in a sauna or after stretching out or after exercising or what on a warmer day compared to today when it's 6 degrees out or something. And so what I imagine is that when my shoulders are made to move, which is quite often when my arms move, my hands go somewhere, is that I imagine that my shoulder blades are continents set drifting on the warm magma, the molten crust below. So it allows me to visualize more readily the whole of the shoulder structure. And then it also allows me to feel like, oh, this is just like a natural, flowing, soft, something buoyant. And that tends to release me from the issues of tissues that are tense. So something for you to play with. Enjoy that one. And remember, softening promotes flow. Thank you.